In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change business hours on Square Appointments. Navigating the digital landscape of managing a business can sometimes feel like steering a ship through foggy waters. It's intricate, often requiring precise adjustments to ensure your venture remains visible and accessible to your customers. One such adjustment crucial for both potential and existing customers is the setting of your business hours on your online platforms like Square Appointments. This simple yet vital task communicates when you're available to offer your services, making it an essential component of your business's online presence. Let's start at the very beginning. First, you'll want to visit the Square website. This platform powers businesses of all sizes, helping them manage appointments, sales, inventory, and more. It's here you can sign into your account or sign up if you're new to the platform. Once on the Square homepage, locate and click on the Sign In button. The Sign In page is straightforward, asking for your email address and password. Take your time to enter your details carefully to avoid any login issues. After successfully signing in, you're taken to your Square dashboard. This is the heart of your Square operation, where you can access a wide range of tools and settings to manage your business effectively. It's designed to be user-friendly, offering a comprehensive overview at a glance. Now to the task at hand, adjusting your business hours. To start, you'll need to select your store name located at the top right corner of your dashboard. This action directs you to the Account and Settings area of Square, a centralized space where you can manage various aspects of your account, including personal information, banking details, and, of course, your business information. Within the Account and Settings area, look for the My Business option. Clicking on it reveals several business-related settings you can tweak to better suit your operation. Our focus will be on the Locations option found here. Square allows you to manage multiple business locations, each potentially with its own set of operating hours and services. It's an invaluable feature for businesses with a physical presence in more than one place. Select Locations to proceed. Here you'll see a list of your registered business locations. Choose the location for which you wish to update the business hours. This will take you to a detailed page for that specific location. On this page, keep an eye out for an Edit Location button or link. Clicking it will open the settings for that location, allowing you to make various adjustments, including, most importantly for us, the business hours. Under Regular Hours, you'll find the option to set the days and hours your business is open. Square provides a simple interface where you can check or uncheck days to indicate your operation days, and specify the opening and closing times for each. It's all about flexibility, enabling you to customize your schedule to fit the unique needs of your business. Be it a standard 9 to 5, weekends only, or something more tailored, Square accommodates your preference. After you've made your adjustments, ensuring they accurately reflect your business operating hours, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a Save SOA button or similar option to secure your updates. This action immediately updates your Square Appointments profile, letting your customers know when you're available for business. And there you have it, your business hours updated, ensuring your Square Appointments reflect your current operation times. Simple, right? In conclusion, keeping your business hours updated on platforms like Square Appointments can greatly influence your business's accessibility and customer satisfaction. It's a minor detail with major impact, signaling to your customers when you're available to serve them. And with the steps we've outlined today, adjusting these hours is straightforward, allowing you to keep your business information accurate and up to date with minimal fuss. Remember, maintaining accurate business information online, including operation hours, is crucial to building and sustaining trust with your customers. It's these small details that, when managed well, contribute significantly to a professional and reliable business image. So take this task seriously and ensure your business hours always reflect your current operations. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're fine-tuning your operation hours, updating your services, or just exploring what Square can do for your business, remember that it's these small steps that lead to great leaps in building a successful venture.